Hello everyone, welcome to social science class. Today we are going to discuss about our constitution. This is part 3 video. In this video we are going to discuss about fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Let's start the fundamental rights about first we will going to discuss. So what are the fundamental rights? The fundamental rights provide the social and political atmosphere. Okay, so these fundamental rights are providing to the social and political atmosphere. It is necessary for the development of personality of the citizens. These fundamental rights it will be helpful to the personality of citizens, developing a development of the personality of citizens. They are required for the persons to lead a civilized life in the society. These fundamental rights it will be helpful to the live a civilized life in the society. They are also essential for the success of democracy purpose. These fundamental rights are helpful to live the successful life in the democracy. There were 7 fundamental rights before mentioned in the third part of our constitution. There were the 7 fundamental rights. It was mentioned in the third part there. Okay. So after when it was the 44th amendment they have did. After the 44th amendment, the right to property has been abolished. Right to property it was abolished there. At present there are the 6 fundamental rights we can see. The first one is right to equality. So it is under the article 14th to 18th article we can see this. So this article is very essential for the success of democracy. And right to equality it is the very essential to the success of democracy, and under this all the citizens are equal socially and economically before the law. All the citizens are equal before the law. All are equal before the law and nobody is above the law. So all should get the equal protections of the law, and no one should be discriminated on the basis of their caste, religion, gender or the place of the birth. No one will be discriminating under this article. So this right has enabled every citizens to get a equal opportunity to join government services. To everyone it has given to the equal opportunities. Okay, so this is article under the article 14 to 18th article, it should be remembered. Then second one is right to freedom. It is under the article 19th to 22 article we can see. Okay, so article 19 to 22, this is right to freedom. So under this right, one who express his own opinion, they can all the citizens they can express their own opinions and to live anywhere in the India, and they have the rights to live anywhere in the India, to follow any professions and more around the country. They can follow any professions in around the world. Then it is a protective right also, and no one can be arrested without reason there. No one can arrest without any reasons there. Okay, so this is about right to freedom. Then third one is right against exploitation. Right against exploitations it will come under the article 23rd to 24th article. Okay, so what are the aims? It's the aim of this right is to prevent exploitation of the women's, children's, the poor, of the weak persons wherever the exploitations are going on. that places, and employment of the children under the 14-year age, wherever they are working in the mining industries and other dangerous occupations is punishable under this article, under this law. Okay, so it is a right to against the exploitations. Then fourth one is, we can see in the article 25th to 28, 25th to 28 article, we can see the right to freedom of religion. So the citizens can accept any religions. If they want to join any religion, they can join easily. No one can be forced to pay the taxes for the management of religious institutions. No one can force them to give the amount to pay the taxes, and they can't force the peoples. Then use the religious places for the political and other activities have been prohibited in the countries. Whatever the religious places are there, no, like temples and all, there is no one can do this like political and other activities on that religious places. It was prohibited in the country, this. Okay, so then next one is fifth one, cultural and educational rights. This will come under the article of 29 to 30th article. It will come under the 29 to 30th article. So all the citizens of the country have their own language, script and the culture. It is the duty of the state to protect them. Okay, so see here, all the citizens of the country have their own languages. They are using their own languages. They are getting the their own languages, script and culture. It is the duty of the state to protect them. Then next one is right to constitutional remedy. Right to constitutional remedy, it will come under the article of 32nd. Okay, so whenever the rights are violated either by the person or the state government or the central government, then the citizens may appeal directly they can go to the Supreme Court for their protection purpose. Okay, if any citizen if he face any problems from the like person or the state government or the central government, means they have the rights to, they can go directly to their protection purpose, they can appeal to the Supreme Court also. And this article, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has called this right is the heart and the soul of the Constitution. This is the heart and soul of the Constitution, this rights it has said. Okay, so now next we will move to the fundamental duties. What are the fundamental duties of ours? What are the duties we have, all the citizens, Indian citizens? Means the first one is the respect the Constitution and national flag and national anthem. We have to give the respect to the national anthem, national flag and our first of all our Constitution also we have give to the respect to that is our first fundamental duty. Then second one is to follow the noble ideals that inspire our national struggle for the freedom. So this is our second fundamental duty. Then third one is to protect the integrity of the India. It is our third duty. Then fourth one is to defend the motherland when called upon to do so. So it was our duty to, whenever it's a required national services purpose, it was required citizens should be give the services, their services to the motherland. Then fifth one is to promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the peoples. Fifth one is our duty to give the motherhood, like a brotherhood amongst all the peoples. They should feel like as a all everyone citizens are very brothers like. Okay. Then sixth one is to value the preserve the rich heritage our composite culture. Then seventh one is to protect and the develop environment including the forest, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and the show compensations to the animals there. Okay, show compensations to the all the animals also. That is our duty. Then eighth one is to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry, the reforms. Then ninth one is to safeguard the public property. Our duty to protect the and safe, keep the safe, maintain the clean that public property also. Then tenth one is to strive the towards excellence in all the spheres of individuals and the collect the activity there. Then 11th one is the parents of or the guardians should provide opportunities for the education to their children from the age of 6 to 14. 6 to 14 age they should give the educations to their children's they have give to the educations there. Okay, so this is fundamental rights and fundamental duties. I hope you are understood this. So thank you for watching.